Before lockdown, I also
Before lockdown, in the sense before 2020.
before not
Before 2021.
second phase of lockdown.
Okay.
I also went to the gym and started lifting weight, but because of lockdown, I left that, and I found some problem doing that, so I just left it. Right now, I'm just eating eating proteins and everything.
Let me ask a very genuine question, please. One side you are having some sort of supplements like proteins and all, okay?
Yeah.
And you are not doing any sort of workout. It will directly harm you. For your kind information, if you don't do any sort of workout and additionally taking any sort of supplements, then definitely it will harm you. Then in that condition, what will you do?
I'm not going to gym, but at home I'll have some kind of exercise which I do in the morning, and
Just
such as upper body workout and lower body, just normally which we can do it at home.
without supervision of any other mentor.
No, I have a gym trainer. He's in my family.
You have already mentioned that your dream is to become a cabin crew, a member of cabin crew, but you are not telling that your family wants something different.
Yeah.
So don't you think that this will contradict each other?
No, they wanted me to do something else, but right now somehow I managed to convince them
As
let
what
me.
will you please express in detail? As what?
I want to be a cabin crew when I was in class 6, but my family was not ready. They are like, no, you are good in studies, so you have to either be a doctor, engineer, or a teacher. But I don't know why I want to be a cabin crew, because I only think about that, and I'm so fascinated about the job profile, and I feel that I'll do better on that field.
Because there is an age limit for being a cabin crew. Hello, Miss Nitya.
हजार है सब हमको.
ये आपका इंटरव्यू अभी हो जा रहा है, समझ लीजिए आधे से ज्यादा
सर लग रहा है आतंकवादी है.
Hello, Miss Nitya.
हेलो.
This is Preetam here. As per your introduction, you have mentioned that you have chosen your English as your core subject.
Hello everybody. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Nitya Bhardwaj. I'm from Hazaribagh and I'm a teenager. Now I'm pursuing my first year BA program from Ananda College. If talking about my family, then there are 4 members in my family, including me, my brother, my father and my mother. My hobby, I love to study and I love to travel. If talking about my strength, then I would say I'm a quick learner, I'm a confident and extrovert girl, and I'm a hardworking girl. And because of that, I got Jagran Genius Award back in 2018. And my aim is to become a cabin crew. That's all about me. Thank you. I'm happy with English.
So what if you want to learn about you want to learn more about physics, and as you have elected English as your honors, so how will you do that?
If there is some topic which I am interested to learn in physics, then I would go ahead with that. I'm not stopped learning. I just changed my stream. I'm not stopped reading physics or grabbing knowledge with it.
Is it really?
Yeah.
So that's good. That's really good. But what's the future plan? What will you do after bachelor's?
I have to. My aim is to clear the cabin crew interview.
Okay, there is a specific hypothetical situation that.
Definitely, I would help that man first.
So don't you get late for your interview? No.
If I will, then I will first. I will help the man because that's really important.
But your dream is first, na? Your
Which comes
dream.
first?
But someone's life is more important than my dream.
So you really think that you will do and you will help that person at that time?
So there would be a lots of person as well around you, and they surely they will not have interview in there on that day, and you would have. So what would you prefer? Don't you say that the other person that kindly help that man, I'm getting late for my interview?
If someone will help, then I would definitely go to my interview. But if not, if I'm the only one person, then I will definitely help the man.
Okay.
Okay, let him ask some sort of questions, please.
Hello,
I'm trying to follow.
Hello.
This is Ashamil. I have a question for you. You said that you wanna be a cabin crew. So what is the main reason why you wanna be a cabin crew?
I want to be cabin crew.
What is the reason?
I'm so fascinated about that job profile, and as I mentioned in my introduction that I love to travel, so I also get opportunity to travel.
Since for traveling, you are joining the post of cabin crew.
One of the reason maybe.
Maybe.
Right,
So Anuradha, this is Amit here.
Hi.
So in your hobbies, we have told about that you like traveling, right? So how many places you have traveled and what was your experience there? Would you like to share me?
I have traveled many places with my family, with my friends.
You just pass out your intermediate and you can enroll yourself there.
Yeah. When I just written my 12th examination, then lockdown happens. So before that I had to go to Kolkata to Franklin Institute to complete my education and to grab some knowledge, but I have not ended up doing that. So I don't think, because lockdown happened, so I don't want to waste my time, waste my year, so I just took admission in another college.
So if you get a chance to be a cabin crew immediately or 2 months ago, so what will you do? You leave your graduation here because you don't have time to come and give examinations and take classes.
No, I've heard that they will, if another college, there is no need to go to college every day. That's why I choose that college. And I have heard that if I'll join any airline, then they will give me some leave during my examination. So I'll come and give my exam. So they